Hi, it's Janine Turner, and this is your God on the Go Minute. So most works from antiquity were passed down by oral tradition. It wasn't until centuries later that they were actually written. And yet, here we have in the New Testament, book after book after book, chapter after chapter in the New Testament, we have first person immediately written down. Looky here. Looky here. 1 John chapter 1. We declare to you that what was from the beginning, what we have heard, what we have seen with our eyes, what we have looked at and touched with our hands concerning the word of life. This life was revealed and we have seen it and testify to it and declare to you the eternal life that was with the Father and was revealed to us. And it goes on, but isn't that amazing what we saw, what John saw, and he's writing it down for you and me to know and believe. I'd love to send these to you via text straight to your phone or email every day. Then you don't have to go through all these other links. Go to JanineTurner.com and click the sign up button, or there's a little info at the top about how to text to get the text. Okay, I hope you have a blessed day.